Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see another global issues. As we've seen in previous classes, today we're going to talk about the global warming. Okay? To see global warming, we're going to watch a video. But first, we're going to look for these words. You can use your dictionary, your cell phones to look for these words so you can understand the video that I'm going to show you later, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do this, okay? If you have any question, you can ask me. You have 1 minute left. Are you ready?
Vamos.
Okay. 2 more seconds.
Then. Are you done?
No.
So I need it through how it.
Are you ready?
Yes?
Yes? Hello, everybody?
Yes. Go.
Okay. Now, we're going to review some words so we all know the meaning of these words, okay?
Okay.
Fernando, what did you find with this word, atmosphere?
I didn't find that word, Professor.
No?
No.
Okay.
I have that one.
Daniela, please.
The gases surrounding the earth.
Very good. And in Spanish,
Atmosphere.
what does it mean? Atmosphere. Very good. Very. Camila, this one, fossil fuels.
I know what it is, but I don't know how to explain it.
Okay, but in Spanish, what does it mean?
Yeah, go.
Louder, please.
Combustibles fósiles.
Very good. Combustibles fósiles. Eric. Global warming.
I have a definition here.
Okay.
It says that it's the current long-term rise in the average temperature of the Earth climate system, an aspect of climate change shown by temperature measurements and by multiple effects of the world.
Very good. So, now that we're more or less okay with the words, we're going to see the video, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I have to take notes.
Yes, you have to take notes because the video is a little bit longer and then you will have to answer some questions, okay?
Climate change has been in the news for years. But what is it? And how will it affect us? To understand climate change, you first need to know about the greenhouse effect. The Earth gets heat from the sun. In the atmosphere, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap this heat and keep it from escaping back to outer space. Trapping some heat in the atmosphere is a good thing because it keeps the planet warm enough for us to live. But there's a problem. People all over the world are adding extra carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. That's because today we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas to do many of our everyday activities. like driving our cars, using our computers, and heating our homes. All of this extra carbon dioxide is trapping more heat in the atmosphere, making the Earth warmer and causing other climate changes too. The signs of climate change are all around us. Temperatures are getting warmer, giant ice sheets are melting, and the oceans are rising. In many places, flowers are blooming earlier, snow is melting sooner, and birds aren't flying as far south for the winter. So why does this matter? Well, if the planet keeps getting warmer, we can expect more powerful storms and more flooding, droughts, and heat waves. And these changes could cause additional problems, like the spread of certain diseases, more wildfires, and food and water shortages. Climate change could put entire ecosystems, like coral reefs, in danger, and many plants and animals could become extinct. The good news is that we can take action. We can put less carbon dioxide into the atmosphere if we generate electricity from clean sources, like solar and wind power, instead of burning coal, oil, or gas. We can also drive less, use public transportation, and choose cars that go further using less gas. And you can do your part. Reduce your energy use by turning off the lights, the computer, and the TV when you're not using them, and walk or ride your bike to work or school. By making smart choices and working together, we can make a difference. Check out the rest of this website to learn more about the causes and effects of climate change.
Okay. Now, you're going to work in pairs. Using your notes, you're going to discuss these 3 questions, okay? You will have 5 minutes for this. And then we're going to discuss your answers in group with the whole class, okay?
I think that it's because people are adding extra
What causes climate change? The first thing they mention is greenhouse effects. That's the main problem of the climate change.
The heat is trapped
Because trap the heat.
And the second one, why is climate change a problem? Because it makes the earth warmer.
Yes, it gets warmer,
Yes, that's one
the
thing.
ice is melting,
Yeah.
That's
oceans. Do you have any questions? Rising.
No?
Because of, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
And maybe that makes
Do you have any
more
questions,
powerful
guys?
storms.
Are you okay?
Can
Are you
the
ready?
consequences of that is
Yes.
for more powerful storms and animal extinction.
Wildfires,
More faster.
floating.
What can we do to prevent turn off lights when
Turn off lights when not using.
Walking instead of driving.
ride, less
You have
drive,
1
less
minute.
glasses,
Tennis environment.
gases,
Yes. For
so-
example,
and produce
the
electricity
iceberg,
by solar.
the
Was
ice is
solar?
melting the
He said? What she said?
yes.
Sorry?
Solar? The one is solar?
The
Yes,
hurricanes,
to produce electricity
Yes.
was
We
solar.
can
the
Yes,
wild
solar.
fires.
Solar power.
Solar power.
What can we do to prevent? Use
We're done.
change.
Yeah?
Or
Here, we're done. Here? Do you need some? No? Some more time? Okay. Now, with the whole group. First, what causes climate change? Who wants to answer?
One of the main issues that they
Okay,
mentioned, the first one was the greenhouse effects.
Yeah.
And that is when the heat is trapped in the atmosphere.
Very good. Very good. And this causes
Warmer temperatures.
very good. Second question. Why is climate change a problem?
because it changes the whole environment.
Mm-hmm.
The ice is melting.
Very
The
good.
birds are all southern than before,
Mm-hmm.
and on the sea we have some difference because they are dying.
Yeah.
Animal extinction.
Yeah. Very good.
Animals are getting
More
extinct.
powerful storms.
Yes, wildfires and food and water.
It's not just the heat. It's more than that.
Yes.
Okay. What can we do to prevent it? Fernando.
We can save electricity. You can turn off your computer light when you're not using them.
Okay, Camila?
Use solar energy.
Very good. And things that you didn't see in the video that you can do in your homes.
Recycle.
Very good. What else?
Don't use cars. Maybe just walk.
Very good.
Don't use plastic.
That one. The idea of not using plastic bags at supermarket. We're doing that.
Okay,
already.
yeah, as a country.
Yeah.
Very good. I don't know if you want to see the video again because I have a worksheet that you can do on your own or with your partner. Do you need to see the video again?
I think we do our notes.
Oh, you can do it with your notes.
Can we work in pairs?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
You have 10 minutes to do this activity. If you have any question, just ask.
Carbon.
Yes,
Wind. Wind power. Carbon power heating. Using carbon in safeguard the situation.
Levels of carbon dioxide.
Which one are you? I think.
That was for I don't know. Heating with a coal instead of hot.
What's a coal?
Sorry?
A coal. What is a coal?
Coal is carbon.
Yes.
Heating.
Which one?
I think it's using
word-
public transport
word is
because
to
you
get scared of something that's not
are,
related, yes. Okay.
We are wrong. We're going to learn about
we can go
word-
in one bus and instead of
Carpooling,
using
share
several cars.
cars.
The
Instead of using 2 cars to go to the job, you can go with your partner and use just 1 car. Carpooling. Share cars.
Oh, this.
It weighs, I think. It didn't mention. Yes, because it says that you might use the public transport, but it didn't say anything about carpooling.
Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to check now. First question. According to the speaker, greenhouse gases are produced by C.
The sea, the sun's rise, and also actions of people.
We all have that one?
Yes.
See? Okay, that's correct. 2. Which of these things is a greenhouse gas? Camila.
B. Carbon
Dioxide. Very good. Everybody has the one?
Yep.
Okay, that's correct. 3. Which of these ways to generate power provides a clean source of energy? Fernando.
Letter C. Wind power.
Yes?
Yep.
Correct. 4. Which of these things can help reduce levels of carbon dioxide? Daniela.
C. Using public transport.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it is okay. 5. The word stinks means.
Something that no longer exists.
Very good. Letter D. And finally, which of these things is not mentioned in the video?
We think that is like energy. You know, they mentioned carpooling, coral reefs, and heat waves.
We were asking ourselves because I think in the video the woman didn't mention carpooling. She just mentioned, maybe I heard that, that we should use the public transport, but
Yeah,
think-
she implies that, but she says that maybe we can reduce the use of cars. So maybe carpooling is that.
Yeah, actually, carpooling wasn't mentioned specifically. It wasn't mentioned.
It wasn't.
but I
So
didn't
is
remember
there-
heat waves.
So is there-
What's energy?
No, it was mentioned.
Was mentioned?
Yes.
Wake energy.
Yes.
Yes, we mentioned in solar, wind.
Yes. It was mentioned.
you're
It
right.
is carpooling. Okay, so this was the last issue of global issues. So remember that all this is going to appear in the test, so you can use your notes and all the vocabulary written today because all this will appear in the test. So thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome. See you next class.
See you. Thank you.